Welcome to my roundup of the top 5 best manual coffee grinders of 2026. The ultimate lineup for coffee lovers who want precision, portability, and the satisfaction of grinding beans by hand. Whether you're brewing espresso, pour-over, French press, or cold brew, these grinders combine durability, adjustability, and style. Today's models feature stainless steel burrs, multiple grind settings, ergonomic handles, and compact designs, giving you the confidence to enjoy cafe-quality coffee at home or on the go. In this guide, I'll walk you through the top options available this year and help you choose the perfect grinder for your brewing style. Check the description for the latest deals, and let's dive into the best handheld coffee grinders of 2026. Kicking things off with the OneSpresso J Ultra Manual Coffee Grinder. The OneSpresso J Ultra Manual Coffee Grinder is the premium powerhouse built for precision. With its stainless steel burrs and ultrafine grind settings, it's perfect for espresso lovers who demand consistency. I love how its ergonomic handle makes grinding smooth and effortless, even with dense beans. Its 48 mm burr size ensures fast grinding, while the durable aluminum body adds reliability. The adjustable dial offers multiple grind levels, making it suitable for espresso, pour-over, and French press. What makes OneSpresso attractive is its professional-grade quality. It's trusted by baristas and enthusiasts for dependable performance. For anyone who wants a grinder that delivers cafe-quality results, the OneSpresso J Ultra is a must-have. Coming in next is the Lunar Fiery 40 Levels Manual Coffee Grinder. The Lunar Fiery 40 Levels Manual Coffee Grinder is the multitasking marvel designed for versatility. With 40 grind settings, it adapts to different brewing methods, from espresso to cold brew. I appreciate its stainless steel burrs, which ensure consistent particle size for balanced flavor. Its compact design makes it perfect for travel, while the ergonomic handle adds comfort. The durable build ensures long-term reliability, and the sleek finish enhances any kitchen. What makes Lunar Fiery stand out is its adaptability. It's perfect for coffee lovers who enjoy experimenting with different brewing styles. For anyone who values flexibility and precision, the Lunar Fiery 40 Levels Grinder is a fantastic option. Turning our attention to the HCBSGZR Manual Coffee Grinder. The HCBSGZR Manual Coffee Grinder is the budget-friendly option that doesn't sacrifice quality. With its stainless steel burrs and adjustable grind settings, it delivers reliable performance for everyday use. I love how its compact size makes it easy to carry, making it perfect for travel or camping. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfort, while the durable build adds reliability. The affordable price makes it accessible, and the sleek design adds style. What makes HCBSGZR attractive is its practicality. It's strong enough for routine tasks, yet compact enough for smaller spaces. For anyone who wants a dependable grinder without overspending, the HCBSGZR Manual Coffee Grinder is a great choice. Let's check out the Timor Chestnut C3S Pro Manual Coffee Grinder. The Timor Chestnut C3S Pro Manual Coffee Grinder is the stylish option that blends modern design with practical performance. With its stainless steel burrs and multiple grind settings, it delivers consistent results for different brewing methods. I appreciate its sleek aluminum body, which adds elegance to any kitchen. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfort, while the compact design makes it perfect for travel. The durable build ensures long-term reliability, and the premium finish adds sophistication. What makes Timor attractive is its focus on design. It's proof that grinders can be both functional and stylish. For anyone who wants a grinder that looks as good as it performs, the Timor Chestnut C3S Pro is a delightful choice. Wrapping things up with the 740 Adjustable Settings Manual Coffee Grinder. The 740 Adjustable Settings Manual Coffee Grinder is the complete kit designed for serious coffee lovers. With 40 grind settings, it delivers flexibility for espresso, pour-over, French press, and cold brew. I love how its stainless steel burrs ensure consistent particle size, enhancing flavor extraction. Its ergonomic handle adds comfort, while the durable build ensures reliability. The compact design makes it suitable for travel, and the affordable price makes it accessible. What makes Seving attractive is its value. It offers a comprehensive set of features without the premium price tag. For anyone who wants a complete solution, the 740 Adjustable Settings Grinder is a smart choice. All of these manual coffee grinders bring something valuable to the table depending on your brewing style and lifestyle. The OneSpresso J Ultra is perfect for espresso lovers who demand precision. The Lunar Fiery 40 levels grinder offers versatility with multiple grind settings. The HCBSGZR grinder emphasizes affordability with dependable results. The Timor Chestnut C3S Pro delivers stylish design with practical features. And the Seving 40 adjustable settings grinder stands out as the complete option for serious coffee enthusiasts. When choosing a manual coffee grinder, it's important to consider burr type, grind settings, portability, and design. Stainless steel burrs provide strength and durability, while multiple grind settings ensure flexibility for different brewing methods. Compact designs suit travel, while larger models offer faster grinding. Ergonomic handles add comfort, and sleek finishes enhance kitchens. Budget-friendly models provide solid performance, while premium options deliver advanced features for professionals. That wraps up my top 5 best manual coffee grinders of 2026. Whether you're a barista, a traveler, or a home brewer, there's a perfect grinder here for you. These devices represent the best balance of precision, portability, and value, helping you enjoy cafe-quality coffee anywhere. So, if you're ready to upgrade your coffee routine, check the description below for the latest deals and grab the grinder that fits your lifestyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more coffee gear reviews and buying guides. With the right manual grinder, you'll enjoy richer flavors, better consistency, and the satisfaction of brewing your favorite coffee with care. Power up your mornings, simplify your routine, and enjoy the confidence of working smarter every day.